Freddie Kodanko, known simply as Freddie K or the Polka King to locals, had his driver's license taken away by legendary local sheriff Hollis Baldy Breidenhagen years ago. For the rest of his life, he got around on his tractor, often heading to the AC tap for beers and dancing with his many friends.
And after he passed away, I purchased his tractor and thought we should continue on with the Freddie K tractor. So we've been doing it for about 15 years, and it's kind of a little pub crawl. He was known as the Polka King. He had the robe and the hat and the whole works, and he would be playing. He'd have a wooden crate, and it's like drumsticks and play on the crate, and he'd wear his coat always through the 4th of July parade in Bailey's Harbor. And he did national anthems at the baseball fields, and again, drove with the tractor, a little battery-operated system set up.